What's the meaning of bedpost? Bedpost. Bedpost.
Bedpost. Bedpost. A bedpost is a vertical support found at the head or foot of a bed that typically extends upward from the bed frame. Traditionally, bedposts were made of wood and featured decorative carvings and finials. Their primary function is to provide support for the bed's canopy, which is often used to create a sense of privacy, warmth, and luxury. Today, bedposts are largely used for aesthetic purposes, offering a touch of traditional elegance to modern bedroom decor. Bedposts also serve as anchors for bed curtains, which can be drawn close to create a cozy, enclosed sleeping space. Overall, bedposts contribute to the overall design and functionality of a bed.